neighbors are also like, why are you on our lawn? Why are you picking the dandelions and putting them in a quart container? Hi, my name is Melissa Rebholz, and I'm the chef at the public market. I didn't grow up learning preserving, but I started getting into it when I was working for farmers markets and when I started farming, because there's so much extra. So these are recipes that I learned when I was more in southern Appalachia in Tennessee. The process, once you did this infusion, is to strain it out. So then once you have the tea, you're going to heat it up. I use this pectin, Pomona's pectin, because it interacts with calcium packets that come with it instead of really high amounts of sugar. So the first step to the calcium packet is that you have to mix it with water and make a calcium water. So you could use honey or any kind of other sweeteners like stevia and stuff. You don't have to use half sugar to get this to gel, but I am just going to use white sugar. Calcium gets heated up with the tea. I'm going to do about 4 tablespoons here. I also always like to put a little bit of lemon juice into jellies and all the jams that I make, and really everything that I can, honestly, because it adds the brightness. And then you just heat it up, and while you're heating it up, the pectin gets mixed with the sugar separately. So this is a quart of tea, and I'm going to use 2 cups of sugar for that. I go heavy on the pectin for jellies because there's nothing else to gel it. I mean, it's not like a fruit that has any kind of natural gelatin in it or its own pectin. It needs a lot of pectin. Then you just whisk it so it's really, really in there, because the key to adding pectin to hot liquid so that it doesn't just form clumps of pectin in your jelly is to whisk it in really slowly and have it be incorporated in the sugar. You boil the pectin in there for about 60 seconds. This is boiling. I got the calcium, the lemon juice, and the dandelion tea is in there. So then I am going to turn down the heat a little bit and then just slowly add the sugar and the pectin. I'm going to add some vanilla extract when I take it off the heat. You just keep mixing so that the pectin, it wants to clump up when you add it to hot liquid like this. And then I just want to get it so that there aren't any clumps. I could already see that it's going to gel good. And as soon as I feel like it's incorporated pretty good, I'm just going to make sure that this boils for about 60 seconds. That's it. I'm going to get this into jars before it cools down. I turn the jars upside down for just between 1 and 5 minutes after I lid them, and then I turn them back over. I don't do a hot water bath for jams and jellies. You really shouldn't move it for at least 12 hours. All right, I'm going to give it a taste. It's good. Yeah. Be good. Make a good PB&J. I think it turned out good.